Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be really interesting. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I love recreating celebrity makeup looks, and this time I was like, okay, I should not make only one reel, I should do one in-depth tutorial as well, because I get a lot of questions from you to recreate the makeup look again and do a tutorial on that, and I think this video is going to be perfect because I am going to show you 3 different celebrity looks. Super excited for this video. I have everything in front of me and I am going to also try to recreate the outfit, kind of recreate the outfit, because obviously I don't have that same outfit, but the makeup look will be definitely inspired by that particular picture. And the first celebrity that we have is Selena Gomez, and this is the picture that I am going to recreate. Look is my personal favorite because I love a good wing eyeliner and a red lip, and every single thing in this particular picture, makeup, her skin, her outfit and everything, her hairstyle looks so perfect. I need to prep my skin really well, being a very glowy skin. So for that I am going to use this Swiss Beauty face oil, which I am recently using. If you've seen my review, you know. Anyways, this is the oil that I'm gonna wear to prep my skin. Recently I am so into skincare. I don't know why, what's wrong with me. I was never into skincare, but that's a good thing. You should always invest in a good skincare product because makeup is like temporary. You are using makeup to hide certain things, but you should definitely invest in good skincare product, because if your skin feels good, if your skin looks good, you're gonna look good. This is the brow pencil that I'm using. This one is from Blue Heaven. I am just gonna fill my brows, and what I'm actually doing, I'm making it a little bit bold because I think her eyebrow is like a little bit thick and bushy. Use this Physicians Formula foundation, and as this is a very tinted kind of a foundation, that's the reason I am going to go with a brush so that I can get a little bit of coverage. And I know the shade is really light for me, but they don't have that much shade option. But after I blend this all over my face, will adjust with my skin. You will not see this white cast anymore. I use my L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. Just gonna take this flat brush. This is, by the way, from this brand called Majestic. It's pretty affordable for 199 rupees or something. I'm using this flat brush because with a full coverage concealer, because I want more coverage for my under eyes. By the way, I'm using this nykaa compact powder. And I hate compact powders. I don't know why. It just makes me look so powdery, but I'm using this right now because I don't have the loose powder in front of me, as usual. First of all, she's wearing a very beautiful rose gold kind of a eyeshadow, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from Lakme, and this is in the shade Sundowner, and I am going to first go with, I think, this shade maybe, and on top of that I'm going to use a liquid glitter. But first I am going to use this. I don't know, I think this will be a little bit deeper, but okay, it is a little bit deeper. Now I'm going to take this liquid eyeshadow from this brand Slosshy Cosmetics in the shade 205, Come Closer. Wow, this is so pretty. I use this Kiro eyeliner. Eyeliner is like very bold and winged, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I have I have a little bit of hooded eyes. I'm not gonna make it too much thick. They don't match, absolutely not. I think I should stop now. Using my contour, Absolute New York one. and some blush. She's not wearing too much blush, so I'm just going to use a little bit. I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Quickly gonna go and change my outfit and bring one red lipstick. Okay, we have to fix this thing. Hairstyle is kind of like a bun, but ask someone who have curly hair. I'm gonna use this product which is really bad. This is a curling mousse, but I don't really like the feeling. It make my hair feel so crusty. I have to use it. Make sure you share the video and subscribe just because I'm putting this on my hair. Okay, it's a red lipstick from Blue Heaven. Okay, so this is what my makeup looks like and this is what my recreation looks like. I think I recreated this pretty well. It's looking pretty good, except the hairstyle. I don't really like the hairstyle on me, but on her it was looking gorgeous. But yeah, this is the finished look and this is her picture. And what do you guys think? We are done with the first look and I hope you really like that, because I am personally going to rate that one a good 9 out of 10. I'm going to recreate this Shraddha Kapoor's makeup look. In this makeup look, I really love this because it is so traditional and ethnic, and I think the sari is like, I have a pretty similar sari which is my mom's sari, and the blouse also I think I have something pretty similar, so I think I can recreate this pretty well. And also this is very simple. She's not doing any kind of extra. It's like a black soft black brown kind of a smoky eye look with a nude lip, and her makeup is like quite minimal and effortless at the same time. Not going to remove my entire makeup because of course not. And I am going to just use some concealer on my eyes, because as I removed my makeup, everything from here, I am not going to apply anything else, just some concealer, and I know it's going to cover up everything. So I am first going to do my eye makeup, and for that I am going to use this palette, this Root Cosmetics Blackjack palette, because this palette, like, see, it contains a beautiful matte black shade and some brown shades as well. This one right for here, it's a very beautiful nudish brownish shade, and just to make it a little bit more softer, I'm going to mix it with this one. This is obviously a very nude shade, and I'm just going to use it over here, the edge of my eyes. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else. I am going to use this Lakme kajal, because this is not a smudge proof kajal. Easier for me to draw a smoky line and smudge out the kajal. The black shade from this palette, just dust off the excess and smudge out this area. Lower down the intensity of the color. I'm just going to take the same brush. I'm going to take the nude shade from this palette and I am going to blend this. Soft smoky eye looks like. Now to just bring, like, just to make my eyes a little bit more bigger, I add a little bit of nude shade over here on my inner corners. Okay, this is what it looks like. Super beautiful. I'm really loving the eye look. She is actually wearing eyelash, so I just used some eyelash. I use my kajal. Brush, take a brown shade and smudge it out. Lipstick. Before I change my outfit, wear a sari, but before that I have to do my hair. So this This is like the worst middle parting ever. You would start with this thing. So I'm gonna make a bun. Just like have this false gajra kind of a thing. This actually turned out pretty good, and yeah, jewelry is obviously not at all matching, but this is what I have. I think it's looking pretty good and I am loving how it turned out. I'm gonna rate this a good 10 out of 10. Hey guys, we are here. The final look. So for the final look, I have Shruti Haasan with me, and this is the look that I'm gonna create. This is a very beautiful, like it is something else. It's a classic black makeup look, something you can wear with any kind of black top or black dress, and her hairstyle and everything is so super pretty. So that's what I'm gonna recreate today. And I use some concealer under my eyes, just like that. Brow pencil, brush my eyebrow upward. Shruti Haasan, her brows are like naturally very thick, so I mean I guess it's naturally very thick. How many of you guys love that song Jeene Laga Hu Pehle Se Zyada? Oh my god, I love that song. Still now I hear that. It's so beautiful, and she was looking so stunning. Little more blush. And a little more highlighter. She's like not wearing any wing, but she's wearing eyeliner. So I'm just going to draw that. A very like soft eyelash kind of a thing, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna wear something huge. Okay, this is it, the eye look. Now I have to find one similar lip color. I'm wearing a very deeper red wine kind of a shade, so first I'm gonna wear this like a plump color. Now on top of this, by the way, the lip shade that I used is from back in the shade Royalty. It's a beautiful shade, by the way. And on top of this, I'm gonna use this Divine Wine, I think, from Maybelline. To make it a little bit more red, I'm gonna use this one from Blue Heaven. A bit of nose contouring, as her nose is like very sharp. This is the outfit. I also added few rings, and I am going to do a middle parting. Her hairstyle is pretty simple, but my front portion is like very flat, so I'm just going to make it a little bit more fluffy. Wow. I think, that's pretty much it. I can't do anything with my hair. So yeah, this is the finished look. I think it turned out pretty good, and I'm also going to rate this a good 9 out of 10. And this is what it looks like. That's it for today's video. I hope you all really enjoyed this one, because I enjoyed a lot filming this video. And that's pretty much it. This is the last look. Let me know and comment down below which one was your favorite one. And yeah, if you want me to do this video again, then also let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.